Look who's back. It's Priscilla from Teaching BRAINIACS, and I'm so excited to share butterfly method, which is adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. We have 1 times 6, and that is part of our numerator. So if we do 1 times 6, that would be 6. So I'll put it here. Now the next part is 1 times 4, and that would be again part of our numerator. 1 times 4 is 4, so we add that, right? And then 4 times 6, right? 6, 12, 18, 24. So when we multiply this, it's 24. And now guess what? We have to add our numerator, which is 6 plus 4, which is 10. And then we have the 24, which is down here. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me, email me, or text me at this information here. This month only, we are doing Math Madness.